Making $2,000 per month on a Faceless YouTube channel sounds like an understatement, because Faceless channel even make way more than that every single month. And in this particular video, I'm going to share with you a step-by-step guide on how you can actually start Faceless content creation without having to show your face. And this one will be way more easier than any other method that you've learned before. All you basically need to do is simply watch this video to the very end and see this easy way to actually creating your Faceless YouTube content. With this one, you don't have to use any separate AI. All you basically do is simply type in a string of words into one simple free AI that I'm about revealing to you in this video, and then that AI gets you every single thing you need. And from there, you have your video ready, and you can just go upload it. Simple, straightforward, and you still don't have to spend a dime as well. So guys, with this already said, and without taking much of your time, it is your first time here, help me do the YouTube business by smashing that subscribe button. Also like this video as well, as if you like this video, more people will actually get to see it because the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more people. Now with that said, let's get straight to business. So now guys, the first part here is simply we picking a topic to talk about. Now when it comes to making money with Faceless YouTube channel, you don't just go there and then start creating content on every random topic out there. You need to be topic specific. In this way, you can actually scale up to over $2,000 per month, even as a beginner. Because the most problem a lot of you make when it comes to content creation is that, well, you get into the business, but then you don't have any particular point of focus. So you talk about every single thing, and this one limits you to only one way of monetizing, which doesn't make you that much money. And for that reason, the first section here simply will have to pick a very profitable niche to get started with. Now, when it comes to Faceless YouTube channel, some of the most profitable niches are simply, number one is basically health and fitness. This is a highly profitable niche that will generate you a lot of affiliate revenue, a lot of ad revenue, and more. Secondly, make money online. Talking about how to make money online and all those stuff will actually generate you a lot of money as well. The third one is simply talking about motivation and success stories. So this niche, you basically create videos around motivation to motivate people. You understand those sort of content. And then the fourth one here is simply making travel videos. Travel related videos also generate a lot of revenue when it comes to the Faceless industry as well. And then finally is basically making the what we call the top list. So for this particular, you basically talk about top 5 this, top 10 this, top 10 that, and that. So guys, now that we're on my laptop, let's get straight and actually start setting up your YouTube channel. We'll pick the niche. So the next thing we need to set up the channel. So to do that, we can basically come over to your browser. So let me just move over to Google Chrome. So guys, if you like the wallpaper you see here, you can actually shop the t-shirt. This is the creator mesh, create, monetize, and repeat. It's actually a mesh that you can easily shop. You can see them displaying on your screen right now. If you click on either of them to take you over to my online store where you can shop any of my creator mesh products with this particular design on them. Now that aside, in order to start up, we need to set up your YouTube channel. So for that, you need to create an email and then log it into your browser. This could be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and a lot of that. I already have my personal channels logged into Microsoft Edge, so for this one, we'll be using Google Chrome. So basically come over here and then come over to YouTube directly. Now, once you come over to YouTube, the next thing you basically need to do is simply click on your profile and then click on where it says create channel. You can see it right here. Even if you're on your smartphone, just go over to the YouTube app, click on your profile, you're going to see the option. So now you can see the option. For those of you using mobile phone, the option will be popping on your screen right now. Now over here, you basically put in your topic here. So let me just put it over here. Top 10 list. So basically, I want to do my video related to top 10 list alone, nothing else, nothing more. So that will probably be my niche. And then over here, they say the handle, okay, top 10 list. So basically for you, you can keep trying the username until you get something that actually matches with yours. So for me, in this video, I'm just going to go with this one that they suggested. Channel name, top list, and then over here, top 10 list. After that, just click on create channel. Now once you click on create channel, you just have to sit back and the YouTube is going to create the channel for you. Now you've created your channel, you can see that here's how your channel look. The next thing you need to do is simply click on where it says customize channel. So now what you need to do in this scenario is basically designing a profile picture and then a cover photo for you. So basically you can go use an AI like Leonardo AI to actually generate a profile picture. You can just give it a description about your YouTube channel and it's going to generate an image for you to use as your profile picture, because it's a faceless YouTube channel, so you don't want to use your face. So you can use AI to generate images and then put on here. Now I don't want to make this video long, that's why I'm skipping that part. And then the next one is simply you can basically go over to canva.com and then use Canva to download, to design a cover photo for your YouTube channel as well, so that you have a background like the way I do over here. Let me just give you that. Okay, my channel was even suggested here. If you come over to my personal channel right now, you'll notice that I have this cover here, so you can also go design it on Canva. It's basically easy. You can look for tutorials on here on YouTube. So guys, that is simply it about the second section here, simply setting up our YouTube channel. And I've already told you how you can set it up. One of them, you pick a name, make sure the name is related to whatever thing that you are talking about. Get your username, use AI to generate your cover photo, your profile picture, and then your cover photo you can design with Canva. After that, we'll move over to the next section, which is actually creating the content to be uploaded on our channel. So guys, now that we have our niche, we have our channel ready. Now it's time to create the content. And to do that, we are going to use ChatGPT to get the content ideas. And then we'll go over to the AI tool where we're actually going to get the content generated. So for that, basically come over to ChatGPT and I give it a simple prompt. And here is it say, I want to start a faceless YouTube channel on the faceless YouTube channel, basically listing top 10 in all industry. Now you see where I say basically listing top 10 in all industry. You can basically change it to your own niche. Now if you don't have to stress yourself about it, just comment prompt in the video description and I'm in the comment section, and I'm going to reply you with a prompt. So after this, just hit on enter. Now after this first response from him, make sure that you read the response to know that what ChatGPT actually understood what he said. Now as long as you understand what he said, the next thing we'll basically do is simply say kindly give me 30 YouTube video ideas. We need it up to 30 so that what we'll have a lot of them in our arsenal to actually create our first batch of content and upload on a consistent basis. You can see it has a lot of them in different aspects. Top 10 superfood for a healthy life, top 10 habits that destroy your health, top 10 workout routine for beginners, top 10 benefits of drinking water every day. Like I said, there are so many of them being listed out here, so we don't have to go through all of them. For the sake of this video, I really want to make it short. So now we'll move over to the next section, which is actually scripting the video. And then take one of them. So let me take this one. Top 10 workout routines for beginners. Now after I take this, I'll just open up a new chart. Now I will tell ChatGPT this simple thing. Kindly script a 30-minute faceless YouTube video on this topic. Now I put the topic into brackets. In my case, it's simply top 10 workout routine for beginners. Now after I just hit on enter. Now once you hit on enter, you just sit back and ChatGPT is going to give you all the scripts that you need. So now guys, after ChatGPT is done generating the script, the next thing you basically need to do is simply come over here and then just go through the scripts to make sure that whatever information it has used in the script actually matches what you want for your video. Now once you've confirmed that, the next thing is basically give you this prompt here. So give you this simple prompt which says kindly give me just an outline. Now after it has generated the whole script for you, now you tell that it should give you just an outline of the video itself. Now it will give you that outline which will look something like this. You can see it to break it down: intro, section 1, section 2, up to the final end. Now once it does that, the next thing you basically need to do is simply first copy the title of the video you want to make. Secondly, copy the whole outline that it has generated for you as well. Once you've gotten all of this, just come over here to CapCut and then click on where it says free AI video maker. Now over here, click on where it says new project. Now once you come over to the new project section, the next thing to do simply is click on where it says create one with AI. Now once you click on it, to open up this chapter here for you. Now the first thing here, paste in the video topic. Paste in the video topic. Now over here, paste in the outline that ChatGPT just generated for you, which is this one here. Now next up is simply duration. Make sure you go for 10 minutes. Now the video can be 10 minutes or above 10 minutes. Now where it says make writing style. Now if you have a faceless YouTube channel that you've been following and you really like how their videos are, how their voiceover, how they write their script and every single thing, you can just get their video link and then come over here, put it in here, or just click on where it says extract from a video and then click on any particular video, import that video into here, and then this AI will actually make that particular video and then do something similar. Now When I say something similar, it will not look like that particular video, but basically to copy how they script their video, every single thing about their videos. That's what it will copy, and then it will give you your own version of it. That just follows same script, but then different information in general. And more, you can come over to it, it says more requirements. Over here, you can even get more detail, and I give it, like, for example, you can say create a fun and engaging TikTok video script. So for over here, I can say create an informative YouTube video script. Now you basically go for whatever thing that you want, and then click on it, says create. Now once you click on create, it's going to generate a video script for you. So you basically have to sit back and then wait for the AI to finish up with the script. So guys, after a few seconds of waiting, was it up to a minute? I can't really tell. But after some few minutes or seconds of waiting, CapCut has actually generated a very fresh and detailed script for us. Now the next thing we'll do from here is basically click on it, says use. Now once you click on this, you've let the AI know that this is a script you want to use. So the next thing, come back to here, it says scene. Now once you come over to scene, over to voiceovers here, make sure you pick a voice that you want to use. Now with this one, you can actually clone your own personal voice as well. You can see for me, I have my own voice cloned here. You can click over here to clone your own voice as well for 100% free. So you basically have to allow microphone, and then it will ask you to record. Now you have to record your own voice down so that it will be using your own voice for the videos. But I already have my voice in there. So for example, let me just take anyone for in this particular video. Let me use something else. I just go for this one here, and then after that, I'll click on apply to all. So remove this auto split script. So after that, click on it, say apply to all scenes. Now once you click on it, you have to sit back and then wait for it to actually apply to the full scenes. Now once it's done, they'll move on with the next stage. So guys, after waiting for some time, it has done generating the voiceover for each of the scenes. As you can see here, you can see that it has generated for every single scene. Now the next thing you need to do is simply come over to where it says media. Now over here at media, click on it, says generate AI media. Now you can go for either AI media or upload your own media. The system automatically match it, or you go for match stock media. This one, it will use stock videos and images, and then it will automatically match them. So one thing I would advise for more safety is basically go for where it says generate AI media. Now over here, make sure you choose this one here which says realistic film, and then click on apply to all scenes, and make sure that your aspect ratio, since it's YouTube landscape video, make sure it's 16:9. And if you are doing it for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, go for 9:16. So for the landscape video, go by 16:9, and then click on apply to all scenes. Now after this, just sit back, and then your main video will be ready in about 10 to 30 minutes time. So guys, after about 10 to 20 minutes of waiting, the AI has actually generated a whole video for us. Now what we have to do at this point is basically we have to probably work on the captions a little bit to make them actually look great. Or you can basically come over here and then come back to caption template. Once you come back to caption template, make sure you choose a very nice caption that will actually get users' attention. So for that, you can go with this quick brand fox, which is also good as well. So let me just click on it. Now once you click on it, you can come over to music here and also add any music that you want to add. But basically the AI is going to add one for you, so you don't have to stress over that. So once you select the caption you want, you can come over to where it says edit more, and then click on export. Now over here, it's going to take you to the main CapCut web editor, where you can also preview your video, see how everything looks, and if there's anything you want to tweak in it, we took it before we export the video to our device. So guys, you can see that I already have some already worked on here already before. This was about richest people in the world. So you can see it's currently loading, so you just have to give it some few minutes to load fully. Then you can play to preview it.
Are you new to exercising? Maybe you're getting back.
So you can see the network is kind of slow, so that's why it's like this.
Into fitness after a long break, or maybe you just don't know where to start. Well, today we're going over the top 10 beginner workout routines.
So you can see the video is 100% okay. Every single thing is alright. So if you are cool with it, the next thing we need to do here is simply click on where it says export. Now once you click on export, come over to where it says download. Now the resolution, I would advise you go for 4K so you get a very high quality. Now the frame rate, leave it at 30 frames per second. Recommended quality, you can go for recommended quality or keep it at high quality. So you basically go for anyone that you want. Now after that, hit on where it says export. Now you can see your video will be saving. So you just have to wait. Once it scans to 100%, you're going to get a pop-up in your browser to actually save it, and you'll be good to go. So now let's wait for that. So guys, now my video is actually done downloading. So let me just show you over here. You can see I just finished downloading the video right now. So now after I've downloaded the video, the next thing is simply uploading it on YouTube. Now when it comes over here, there are some few things you need to do to make sure that your video get the right views and stuff. So for that, the first thing is simply come over to your channel. Come over to where YouTube Studio, which is a new channel you created. Come over to the studio. Now you basically have to click on where it says upload videos and then click on select file. Now from here you can basically come over to your desktop. Okay, so your download folder. So this is where my video got downloaded to. Now just click on open. Now you can see the video is uploading now to YouTube. Now as the video is uploading, in order for us to get more views, we need to work on our description, tags, and all of that. So for that, all you basically need to do is simply come over to ChatGPT. Let me just come over to ChatGPT and say, now you have to come over to the same place whereby you scripted the video and say, kindly generate a well-detailed YouTube video description and tags for this video. Now after they just hit enter, so that CapCut ChatGPT is going to give you a good title, tag, and every single thing. You can see here's the title: top 10 workout, effective, easy, and then straight up. Now just copy the title and come over here, paste it in, come down here, copy the description as well, every single thing in the description, copy it, and then if you have other social media handles as well, you copy and add all of this part. Now let me just end here, copy, and then come over here, paste it into here. Next up is basically you copy the tags, you go place them at where they put tags on YouTube. Now you basically have to upload these videos. Since you are using AI to generate it, you can upload at least 2 in a day. You upload one in the morning, probably around 10 a.m. depending on the country you find yourself, and then one in the evening around 4 to 6 p.m. area. If you're uploading 2 every single day within a short period of time, your YouTube channel is actually going to get a lot of attention. Now another most important thing that you need to do to actually reach out to more people is basically having a thumbnail. Now thumbnail is very important to actually help you reach more people with your videos. So in order to create a YouTube video thumbnail, you don't have to stress yourself, as I already have a video about it that will teach you how you can actually make thumbnails. Okay, that will teach you how you can actually make thumbnails using Canva. So you can see here's my other trading channel. Here's my second YouTube channel here known as Perez Trade. We are basically talking about forex and crypto trading. So you can see 2 days ago, 338 views. So basically just come over to YouTube here and go to my other channel, Perez Tech thumbnail. So just basically type Perez Tech thumbnail. Now you are going to get a video of how I actually do thumbnails here. You can see it here, very easy way to actually access it. Now you can just come over and then search for this video here, just type in Perez Tech thumbnail, and you're going to see how I actually design thumbnails using Canva. Very easy and straightforward. So you can come watch this video and learn how to design thumbnails so you can reach out to more people. Now apart from posting your videos to actually make money through ad revenue, another great thing you can actually do is simply create videos and then also recommend affiliate products within your video. So you can recommend health and fitness products and a lot of that. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, then check the videos that I'll be linking down in this description. Those videos will actually recommend you some of the best affiliate programs that you can actually promote, where you are going to get programs for all your niches and every single thing, so you can promote it and then generate more sales as well. So guys, with that already said, see you in my next video. Bye.